Hi.
Hello. You're recording this already.
This started automatically and I don't want to stop it because I'm not in the...
This one will be short.
Yeah, sure. We don't have news compared to yesterday.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Rashid. Hi, Mac.
Hey everyone. Hello.
What do you say? We wait another minute just in case? Or should we start? We wait, okay.
We can wait.
Start sharing maybe. Please add yourself in the attendees. Do you have the link? Cool, let's start. So today, community meeting, 17th of May. We have a tiny announcement for Keptn and for Keptn LTS. For the LTS, we had a user reaching out on Slack yesterday mentioning that the new version 1.3.0 had some issue downloading a few of the images, so he would have crash loop back off. This was probably due to the fact that we were redirecting from our Scarf server to the image repo on GitHub. For some reason, this was not working, so we merged the fix for that for the future release, and we patched the Helm chart to directly point to the GHCR registry. So this is now working fine, and you can install the latest version by just using Helm. For the KLT, we had a discussion already about this yesterday, so maybe we won't spend much time, but basically the focus now is having runtime support for executing tasks. And we are working both to a Python solution and to a solution where you can hop in any container. So basically you can deploy your own job in the cluster as a task. And for that, you can check out what we are doing at issue 614. Here we are tracking all of the stuff. We finished with the research part and are now creating the first tickets for the implementation. The first ticket, if you are interested and want to pick it up or join the discussion, is about a refactoring of the task controller to make sure that we can actually do this change. And there is a little discussion going on, and maybe you may be willing to give your thoughts about this on 1421, about whether or not we should be able to chain multiple containers in the same job, and whether we should allow to mix up having Python script or JavaScript together with a container and things like that, what you would expect for the KLT to do in these cases. Does anybody have anything to say about this topic or to add? If not, I run out already of things to say. Anybody has anything else that is not in the agenda? Cool. That was an easy one. Then again, if you want to see more about the task execution, we also discussed this into yesterday meeting. So in the refinement, have a look at that on the YouTube channel. And otherwise, I guess we say bye-bye for today. Cool. Thanks, guys. I will stop the recording. I cannot stop the recording, so let's just hang up. So,
All right.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, thank you, everybody.
Thank you,
Bye.
everyone.
bye.